everybody, this is Ray Weesey showing you how to make a pencil butterfly knife. All you really need to do though is you just need some type of screw long enough to fit through 3 pencils, a piece of sandpaper, it doesn't matter how scratchy it is or whatever, number 2 pencils, and a nut. And all you do is you just screw a hole evenly through all 3 of them so they're the same length. Take the erasers and metal part off. And then once they're the same length, you can, if you want, you can take the middle one and shorten it. And then make it like a point and then sand it down with sandpaper. That's what I did. And then after that, you put the bolt through the 3 holes you made, and then you screw this on. This tightens it so it doesn't move. That's the safety thing I made, so it doesn't move. But then you loosen it, and then it'll move like a regular butterfly knife. Here, let me set this up. I can show you. And then, yeah, there you go. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See ya.